Bridget, Shannon, maybe you should let just the three of them for a few minutes. Shannon, Shannon.
Get off of this thing and we'll show you what we can do. Get off. No, I can't do it. Wait, I want to try one jump.
Everybody off and let Grandma on alone.
No, I don't have to be on. Let Grandma.
Yes, you do. To get a real jump, you do.
You think I'm going to do a real jump? Well, Grandma, you can't, like, reach up. Yeah, you can. You can. Where your mom said to get off.
I want Grandpa to make sure he doesn't fall right there. You know, that chair is so wobbly.
Oh, no. I can't do that. I can't do it.
I want Bridget to stop.
Bridget. You have to get off, Shannon.
She can't.
You've got to get out of the way. Ah! I need to get your feet off here.
Just jump.
Jump.
There you go. They will. Just jump.
Hold on.
Just keep jumping.
Keep going.
Keep going.
There you go.
Don't bend your knees that much.
Bridget, where'd you go, hon?
She went in and stopped to get her camera.
Oh, tape in.
Well, it's just a little bit. Maybe you got
Okay.
a couple minutes left.
Break my head. Ah. I couldn't get my feet off the ground.
Look at Grandpa go.
What's more?
With your butt.
Oh,
Stay little. Leave me up.
He's doing good.
Stay little. You're good. No, it's my turn, Shannon.
Okay.
I'm recording your snottiness. You realize that, don't you? Okay, Grandpa's done.
Yeah, you did good. I couldn't get my feet off. My feet didn't want to cross her.
You didn't want to jump.
Huh?
Ooh.
Bridget, Bridget.
Bridget.
Oh, they are so demanding today.
My feet are cold.
I'm getting out of here.
Okay, Shannon, help Grandpa get off. His legs are going to be rubbery.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. So now you have to go inside and try to run up the stairs.
Oh.
Yeah, try to do this. Try to. But that's cute. Sorry, I couldn't get my feet up.
Bridget, can we
You did fine.
I couldn't get my feet up.
I don't know where you are, Mom. Move it over. Let's see if
Oh, wow. That's what she tried to do with me.
That's hard to do no matter what.